Hello viewers, today we are going to see few fridge magnets. I personally am a big fan of fridge magnets. I mean, who don't love fridge magnets? Like everyone at one point of their time when they travel, they would tend to collect a fridge magnet because it will be sticking out of the fridge and you see it every day and remember the memories from your travel. But I personally only collect fridge magnet because I started collecting from the cups, beer cans, openers. These are all very common souvenirs from each place. But when I started collecting cups, someone comes over and try to use it or play with it and they break. Fridge magnets are something that you see. You can just hold it for a second. You see it, but it'll be just there. It's visually there, and you don't go play around and that's what I felt they can stay longer because we don't use them. And I've got few fridge magnets with me which I've collected in my travel. So I want to like arrange them. I was from a very long time I was looking for something like this to make a small frame and arrange. Basically, I got a bit lazy. So today I'm going to show a few of my fridge magnets. No, all of my fridge magnets. Yeah. The first one is this from Porto. Porto is a famous city in Portugal. This particular thing is made up of ceramic tile. Portugal, they make the ceramic tiles, all these designs. It's very famous in across South America. And this goes here at the top. And I've got one from Krakow. Krakow is an old, small, beautiful town in in Poland. So this is from Krakow, and this one, the loving Pondicherry. This from a French colony, a city of Pondicherry from India. Keep it here. And this from Tirana. Tirana is capital of Albania, and you see this is how the old possession in Tirana. It shows the Tiranian culture, ceramic fridge magnet, and oh yeah, this from I got it in Podgorica, Montenegro. This depicts Montenegro. Montenegro is a small, very small country, and there are a lot of port cities in Montenegro, and this is one that depicts that. And I got a magnet from Prague, Praha, the capital of Czech Republic. This shows the Prague Cathedral. This one is from Ljubljana, the capital of Slovenia. This is a wheat bat, and this is from Brussels. This is a lantern, and this is this peeing kit is very famous. You see statues of peeing kits across the city, especially in the old towns, and the background of Brussels is one nice fridge magnet. I've got another one from Croatia, showing the old map of Croatia. This is made up of local pine wood. This one is from Butrint. The ceramic magnet shows the old amphitheater of Butrint, a 2000 years old Roman amphitheater. This is also a small settlement in Albania. Okay. I keep forgetting the name of this dance in Spain. This is a Flamance or Fleming. This is a very famous dance across Spain, especially in Barcelona. Every Thursday, Friday, you see these dances in the theater. And this is ceramic plate is from there, from Barcelona. And we have a magnet from Ukraine. This is from Corfu. Corfu is also a place of lot of cuisines, so it's dedicated to a chef. This one is from Poznan. Poznan is also one of the tourist famous cities in Poland. Poznan. Another one from Corfu. Corfus are famous for these donkeys. I've seen few in the streets, but somehow they're famous. There are few urban legend connected to these donkeys, so I would keep it somewhere here. This next. Yeah. No introduction required. Eiffel Tower, Paris. Wien. Wien, the capital of Austria, Vienna, a fridge magnet showing overlooking the city. Yeah. And from a small port town from Russia, I got two fridge magnets from Kalyan. One overlooking the city, a small badge magnet, and one showing the old port, yeah, old fort near the beach. Kalyan goes here. Again, guess what? The Leaning Tower of Pisa from Italy. I love the scooters in Italy, not only in Milan, across everywhere in Italy, especially South Italy. I find a lot of these scooters. So, scooters, and yeah, I have another one from Praha. Actually, two, very similarly looking. So I will just keep them here. One here. And I have also two from Riga. This is from Riga, and this is also from Riga. Riga has this cats. Cats are seen everywhere in Riga. Cats are a good sign in Riga. Riga is the capital of Latvia. And this is also from Porto, Portugal. They make this cork in Porto, this wine cork. Porto, the people drink a lot of wine, and got a magnet from there with cork. Yeah, Germany, not any city, but just Germany. I got this in Berlin. I didn't find anything that's written Berlin, so I got just Germany. Yeah, Ujupis, Republic of Ujupis. A lot of people do not or haven't heard this name, but Republic of Ujupis is famous for its constitution. It's a small micronation in Lithuania, in Vilnius. Trakai, very famous fort near Vilnius, Lithuania. Trakai. Antwerp. Antwerp is a very popular tourist city in Belgium. That's where we get a lot of diamonds. A lot of diamonds in the world is processed in Antwerp. And guess what? This is a very famous cathedral, Sagrada Familia, by Antonio Gaudi. This is from Barcelona. So I will keep it next to Barcelona. This from Holland, Netherlands. And you see these windmills all over. I got this in Rotterdam. I got some student fridge magnet. I'll keep it somewhere in the bottom. The very famous Warsaw Mermaid with the knife and the sword and the shield. The Warsaw Mermaid is seen across the Warsaw, and I personally love this, so I will keep this in center. Respect to mermaids. Helsinki. This is a very famous landmark in Helsinki, Helsinki Central Station. So this is from Helsinki, capital of Finland. This is from Budva, a city in Montenegro, as a beach city in Montenegro. And the other one from Prague. Oh my God, I think I've got 3 or 4 from Prague. Is overlooking these 3 bridges. The famous Charles Bridge is here. I would keep it next to it with all respects. Whoa. It's not a UFO. I initially thought it was an UFO, but once you are in Albania, you see this. There are almost 1 lakh bunkers in Albania, built during the World War season when it was in the name of Yugoslavia. A lot of bunkers. You can go inside a bunker. They are fun. And this very famous door design from Barcelona, Bascariscia, the old town in, sorry, not Barcelona, Sarajevo. And this is from Litva. Litva, a lot of people think it's Latvia, but no, it's Lithuania. And these are the amber stones. The city collects there's a lot of amber stone processed in the city. And we have another from Sarajevo. We keep it here, Sarajevo. And from a port city, Konali. I have one from Sveti Stefan, a small connected piece of land, very beautiful rocky beach, not rocky, it's a stone beach, pebble beach. I have one more from Krakow, the stamp used in the glass. Thai elephants. You see elephants, you're definitely in Africa, India, or Thailand. And when elephant is celebrated a lot, it's Thailand. Thai elephants. Written in Russian, this reads Beograd, capital of Serbia. I'll keep it here. Gdansk, another port city in north to Poland. It's made up of wood, pine. I don't know which wood is it, but it shows the famous crane of Gdansk. A small one from Bratislava again. Budapest. It shows Buda and the Pest side, capital of Hungary. And this from New York. I've not been to New York or any part of USA or America, but this is gifted from my friend. So I'll keep it somewhere here. And Bratislava, capital of Slovenia. Vilnius, capital of Lithuania. Wow, Milano. And you see this white cathedral, Milan Cathedral. This is from Milan. And Amsterdam. This is from Red Light District. This is a building of a sex shop. This is how the sex shop looks in Amsterdam. Don't ask more details. The last one is from Saranda, a city, again another port city in Albania. The beach overlooks Greece. Respect to Kalyan. That's all with my magnets. Thank you, viewers. Thanks a lot.